First of all, what do you mean by ERP? It's basically enterprise resource plan. So in the 1960s, basically all these businesses, they were started using all computerized applications, but they were very much expensive and their functionality was also limited. But the only advantage is that they were just faster than the manual processes. Regarding the infrastructure, those machines were very, very large, maybe even the occupying the room size also, but very slow and as compared to the modern machines. What are the types of ERP? First is a on-premise ERP. So basically, those servers are available in your own premises. They are not outside your office gate. Everything is within your office boundaries. And this is suitable mainly for the small and medium size, because as such, they don't need such a huge server, and that place is not required for them. So they can go for the on-premise ERP. The next evolvement is a cloud-based ERP. Now you all know what is that cloud computing. Similarly, this ERP can be hosted on the cloud. Large organizations, they are going for that because they really don't want to waste their space and resources on these servers. Plus, they have got many other advantages by moving on to the cloud. And the third option is a hybrid ERP, which is a on-premise ERP and a cloud-based. So this is a hybrid module, but frankly speaking, in the real world, I have not come across any company using this hybrid model for their ERP. So what are the benefits? So as I explained it again and again, so there is a complete integration between all modules. Whatever is getting posted in material module, I'm coming to know what sales entry they have done. I immediately come to know something which is built, something which is delivered but not built. Such type of information also I can come to know. Even there is no dependency on sales team that they should give me all those invoices. I can see that e-copies are also available. So there is no paper involved in it. Physically carrying the paper and movement of paper is completely avoided here. Purchases bills are paid as and when it becomes due. Then visibility of unpaid deliveries also is there. So many times what happens? Purchase, the department, they gets the inventory, they get the goods from the vendor. And since that process was slow, so many times they never used to receive the invoices during the month end. So what used to happen? You have an inventory in your balance sheet, but there is no corresponding bills to that. So what exactly it means? You are jacking up your inventory without having any liability. So actually that is a catch from the audit point of view. So you are increasing your profitability in short. So this type of issues are getting resolved. And many ERPs have the systems where they can clearly show that these are my unpaid deliveries. And not only that show, they even post the subsequent auto entries also to negate that impact. In case of intercompany transaction, there is a element of unrealized profit. So earlier, there was a lot of issues were there to remove that unrealized profit. But now in the ERP, there is a concept of transfer pricing. The system is now developed. So at the consolidated level, with these accounting controls, one has to just see whether my all transactions are becoming zero or not. And there is no unrealized profit is sitting in my profit and loss account. Indian companies are also now going global. They have got various subsidiaries with the ERP system. Whenever subsidiary is raising the debit note, so there are automated programs which are developed in the ERP that takes care of these type of issues also. They read such intercompany transactions. They are actually executed in a frequent intervals. And what happens if they find that particular subsidiary has raised debit note on another company? It goes to the another company's books of account and it parks the document. Just remember, mark my word, it parks the document. It does not post the document. So the impact is that at any point of time, I am always having the list of par document in my company, as well as even the opposite company also have the par document which for the debit notes which are raised for them. So the accountant's job has become very easy. They just have to see if that part document, is it right, correct, and they just check it. They either post it, and if they are not okay, they will delete it and they will return it back. So even my intercompany reconciliation, which was a major headache for conglomerates and big companies, it was very difficult for them to have the intercompany reconciliation. And we are not just confined to the India. We have companies across the world, and we need to keep a tab over their accounting across subsidiaries, whichever are there, and we need to check their accounting. So the ERP system facilitates everything. From sitting here, I can see the P&L and balance sheet of my global subsidiaries. So this is a major advantage which ERP is now offering. Yeah, this is very interesting. Enhanced business reporting. All minute level details you need to report to the management, because management nowadays also become a very demanding, and they have to be, because they have to manage all global operations. They need to go at the granular level and get the real-time information. So various types of MIS reports which are readily, even the many standard reports are available with the ERPs. With the one click, you can get all those information. And over and above, just for your knowledge purpose, there are many reporting tools are also available, like ClickView is there, ClickTake is there. So they can very well integrated with the ERP system. Similarly, business insights are also available with the new functions available in the ERP, which is evolving, and many things are getting added. So predictive analysis also they are doing. So in the middle of the month, I can give my projected profitability and I can highlight the inefficiencies, or if some my sales or revenue they are going to miss the target, I can very well, I can highlight it during the month, and management can take a quick decision on that. And of course the cost saving, because your inventory management is proper, your procurement is proper, your vendor management is perfectly, because you are paying everything in time, vendor is happy, it is ready to give you the good rate, you have a complete control over working capital. So all these things lead to the cost saving. My overall efficiency improves. Finally, it everything gets reflected in my company's performance. So these are the all benefits which ERP is offering. This we have come to end. Thanks all of you.